nucleic acid nucleic acid nucleic acids nucleic acids are large biomolecules essential for all the forms of life. They include DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, and RNA, ribonucleic acid. DNA molecules are found in the cell nucleic, where RNA molecules can be found in cell nucleic as well as cytoplasm of cell. It is known that many of the inherent characters are transmitted from the parents to their children. This is the heredity. DNA is responsible for the heredity, and both the DNA and RNA are responsible for the protein synthesis in the body. Chemical compositions of nucleic acids. Complete hydrolysis of the DNA or RNA yield a pentose sugar, phosphoric acid, and nitrogen containing heterocyclic compounds called a base. In DNA molecules, sugar moiety is beta D2 deoxyribose, whereas in the RNA molecule it is the beta D ribose. 1 2 3 4 OH HOH HOH CH2OH H beta D ribose OH HH HOH H CH2OH beta D2 deoxyribose. DNA contains 4 bases via adenine A, guanine G, cytosine C, and thymine T. RNA also contains 4 bases. The first 3 bases are same as in the DNA, but the fourth one is uracil U. Nucleic acids. Deoxyribonucleic acids DNA, ribonucleic acids RNA, messenger RNA mRNA, ribosomal RNA rRNA, transfer RNA tRNA. Nucleotides. Pentose sugar, deoxyribose, ribose, nitrogenous base, pyrimidine, uracil U, thymine T, cytosine C, purine, adenine, guanine. Phosphate group PO4 3 minus, P double bond O minus O minus O minus. Nucleosides. Pentose sugar plus nitrogenous base. Nucleotides. Phosphoric acid group plus pentose sugar plus nitrogenous phosphorus, P double bond OH sugar base. Structure of nucleic acids. Primary structure. Nucleotides are joined together by the phosphodiester linkage between the 5 and 3 carbon atom of the pentose sugar. 5' and 3' carbon atoms of the pentose sugar. Secondary structure. 2 strands of the polynucleotides coil around each other in the form of the double helix. The backbone of each strand consists of sugar phosphate units, and the base units of each strand are pointed into the interior of the helix and are linked through hydrogen bond. James Watson and Francis gave a double-stranded helix structure for the DNA. The 2 strands are complementary to each other because the hydrogen bonds are formed between the specific pair of the bases. Adenine form hydrogen bond with thymine, whereas the cytosines form hydrogen bond with the guanine. Adenine form hydrogen bond with thymine, whereas the cytosine form hydrogen bond with guanine. James Watson and Francis gave a double-strand helix structure for the DNA. The two strands are complementary to each other because the hydrogen bonds are formed between the specific pair of the bases. Adenine forms a hydrogen bond with the thymine, whereas the cytosine form hydrogen bond with guanine. Guanine in secondary structure of the RNA, single stranded helical are presented which fold back on themselves to form a double helix. Chargaff rule: amount of purine bases is always equal to that of the pyrimidine bases. The purine bases of the one strand of the DNA molecules paired with the pyrimidine bases of the other strands. Uh, Adenine A pair with the thymine T through two H bonds A double bond T, and guanine G pairs with the cytosine C through 3H bond G triple bond C. In case of RNA, adenine A pair with the uracil A double bond U. Double strand helix structure for a DNA. Biological functions of the nucleic acids. DNA is the reserve of the genetic information and responsible for the heredity transmissions. DNA is exclusively responsible for the maintaining the identity of the different species. DNA is capable of the self replications during the cell division, and therefore the identical DNA strands are transferred to the daughter cells. The most important functions of the nucleic acids is the protein synthesis. Proteins are synthesized by the RNA molecules in the cell, but the message for the synthesis of the particular protein is present in the DNA. Replications is a process by which a single DNA molecule produces two identical copies of itself. Protein synthesis occurs in two steps, that is transcriptions and the translations. Transcriptions is a process of synthesis of RNA. Translations, the synthesis of the protein, occurs in the cytoplasm of the cell. The mRNA direct proteins synthesis with the help of the RNA and tRNA. Hormones are the molecules that act as the intercellular messenger and are poured directly in the blood stream by the endocrine glands. Types of the hormones: steroids, estrogen and the androgens, polypeptides, insulin and endorphins, amino acid derivatives, epinephrine and norepinephrine. They help to maintain the balance of the biological activities in the body. Growth hormones and the sex hormones play a role in the growth and the developments. Hormones insulin help in the keeping the blood glucose level within the limit. Glucagon tend to increase the glucose level in the blood. Epinephrine and the norepinephrine mediate the responses to the external stimuli.